So first you want to check to see if you have the ads option. So you go to settings, and if you have the ads option, it's going to show up right there. So you're pretty much good to go. If you don't have the ads option and this pops up, you want to click on get started, and this is how you start turning on ads. So you'll see information about what you need. Make sure to read the terms of use so that you don't get a strike, you don't get demonetized on Instagram. Once you've read the terms of use and you've accepted it, you can now click on your country. Right now is Australia and United States. I chose United States, and then I choose my business type, which is individual, because I'm an individual, so okay, so you click next. Then you want to put in your legal information. Make sure the information matches what is on your form, your tax form. So we're going to put in all the tax information and then select that option right there. Next, you want to link up either your bank or your PayPal account. Now, I am going to go ahead and I will link up my PayPal account. Then I click link payment out method, and this is going to take me to my PayPal account. Okay, so we're done. Now you want to see the ads option has been turned on, and you want to accept that. The next thing, you want to read through this to know how to edit your existing IGTV, just different things, and payouts are sent every month. So we're now monetized. We have our ads turned on. Let me show you how you can go into your IG page and also edit the videos that you've done before you turned on your ad. So we're going back into the IG page, and you want to click on the IGTV icon right over there. You want to select a video, one of your videos, and then you see that dot down there. You click on the dot and you click edit. Once you click edit, you see ads are allowed. If ads are not allowed, this is what it's going to look like. So make sure you turn on your ads, and don't forget to subscribe to